Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher. This is the Pokemon theme song. I'm still working out the performance, but I know all of the techniques, and I'm happy to teach you the techniques that I'm using in the song. To learn it with me, head on over to accordionlove.com or click the link in the description. Enjoy. I'm going to use this version, however it comes out. Again, to learn the song with me, head on over to accordionlove.com. Good, I like it. That was an okay one.